everybody. You guys, I get asked just what is my everyday beauty regimen? What do I put on my skin every day? And you guys, I actually keep it really simple. I think if you overcomplicate it, you just don't keep the routine going because you get lazy. And I get really lazy at night. I get super tired and I have no interest in washing or doing anything. So I keep the routine super simple, and I wanted to share with you guys exactly what I use. So I wash my face first and foremost in the shower. I will do a deep scrub. I'll use Goop, and it's their Microderm abrasion kind of cleanser. And it's great. You just use a little bit. I'll show you. It has like the little crystals in it. So it kind of feels like it's scratching, if that makes sense. And then I wipe it all off. So this is the only thing I use to wash my face. Then I get out, I will put on some white strips, the Luminex. I love these. These are what I find to be the best whitening strips. You leave them on for 30 minutes while you're doing your beauty regimen and your makeup. And then when you're done, you've got nice white teeth. Next, okay, I use Honor MD Tropical Mist. So I use this tropical spray. It's like a spray that just put all over your face. And I just go overboard because I love it. It has a really fresh scent. It just feels really refreshing on the face. If you're gonna be retouching your makeup or redoing your makeup at night, you do not want dry skin because that makes it look cakey and cracked. So for me, I always just use a little extra spray. It kind of makes you look alive, wakes you up. Next, I use the Genetically Blessed, and that's her hyaluronic acid. I use just a little droplet. I place around the cheek, the T-zone, the forehead, and the neck, and then the back of the hands. Okay, after that, I always use a vitamin C serum. Super simple, guys. You can grab one from Amazon. I always have everything linked. I again put that all over neck, ears, back of the hands. Now I like to use a face serum or a face oil because I love that really moisturized feeling, whether it's cold, whether it's warm out. I like my skin to feel super moisturized. I love this one by Róen. It's super simple. There's no fragrance to it. It's a face oil. So I just use, again, a droplet. This is great if you're on vacation. Look at that. Look at that glow. Super moisturizing. Feels amazing on the skin. So for before bed, before going out into the sun, then you put your SPF on and it feels fabulous and you just look super refreshed. Last but not least, I use Monika Blunder, her Undercover, her face moisturizer. I love it. It's super light. It's not heavy. Still moisturizes without feeling cakey and heavy. Put that all over. Don't skimp on the moisturizer, guys. I think it's super important, especially when you're aging. Get that neck, get the ears, get the back of the hands, because you want your face to be nice and moisturized as often as possible. Okay, that's all I do. All the products, they're all easy. I am allergic to everything, so these are all fragrance-free, paraben-free, and I've been using them for over 3 years. I swear by them, and have a great day. Mwah!